TheJbeans.net.
Curaçao is a small island country located in the southern Caribbean Sea, north of Venezuela. We've cruised to Curaçao multiple times, and in this video, we'll give an overview of our return visit to the island in August 2024. During the visit, our ship, the Carnival Celebration, docked in the capital city of Willemstad, and we spent the day enjoying a modified street art walking tour and some delicious local snacks. Just a quick note that if you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps our channel. And consider subscribing so you get alerted when we add new videos. We started our day in Willemstad by walking to the city's Punda district, which is known for its Dutch colonial architecture and colorful buildings. After disembarking our ship, we walked along the waterfront to exit the port area. We then continued walking along the waterfront toward the Renaissance Mall area, through the historic Riff Fort area, and past Dutch Treat, a small eatery we visited in the past and returned to later in the day. Just past Dutch Treat, we crossed the Queen Emma floating bridge, which is always a fun adventure for our jelly bean, and walked into the Punda district. Our first stop was the Lovelock Heart Sculpture, which is located near the southeast end of the bridge. Originally unveiled as a single heart in 2017, the installation has grown over the years to include more hearts. Visitors are encouraged to lock in their love by attaching a lock to the structure. Since we had already attached 3 locks to the hearts during previous visits, we opted for a family photo during our most recent visit. Following our stop at the Lovelock Heart Sculpture, we started our modified street art walking tour around the Punda district. We put together our walking tour, which we've linked in the description below, based on the artworks our jelly bean picked from the amazing Punda Art and Culture Walk. We've also included a link to the full self-guided walk, which includes more than 50 points of interest. We spent about 40 minutes navigating the roads and alleys of the Punda district to visit the various artworks. Along the way, we saw many street murals, sculptures, and more. And we made quite a few stops along the way to use the artworks as great backgrounds for some family photos. During our walk, we also stopped at the small Anna Bay Club rum store. The store was a convenient opportunity to try some local spirits without having to make the longer trip to the popular Curaçao liquor distillery, which we did a few years earlier. We also walked by the popular floating market, where merchants from nearby Venezuela dock their boats at the waterfront area to sell produce and other goods. After wrapping up our street art walking tour, we walked to the nearby New Market, as well as the Old Market. The New Market was located in a large, circular-shaped building and was filled with vendors selling food, goods, and souvenirs. And the nearby Old Market was located in a large, rectangular building and was home to several vendors who were preparing fresh, local food. The market had quite a few picnic tables located inside for sitting down and enjoying the food. We were saving some room for our visit to Dutch Treat later in the day, so instead of buying some of the delicious-looking food at the markets, we opted for some small snacks at Panaderia Ana Risa. The local bakery was located between the two markets on the other side of the street and was very popular with the locals during our visit. We purchased a quechillena, or a cheese-filled pastry, a loaded chocolate chip cookie for our jelly bean, and some drinks for a total of $9 US. After enjoying the snacks at one of the bakery's tables, we crossed the street again, back to the side with the two markets, and made a stop at a food trailer selling smoothies. Just like our previous visit to Curaçao, we ordered a mango smoothie for about $4 US, and it was a delicious way to cool off. From the food trailer, we recrossed the street and headed almost due west, back towards the floating bridge to Cielo Gelato and Pizza. We stopped in for another cool treat and were pleasantly surprised by how many flavors the little shop had available, including several non-dairy flavors. We shared a small cup, a medium cup, and a ginger ale for a total of $13 US, and we really enjoyed our selections. After finishing our gelato, we stopped to take a family photo with the blue and white Cielo cow. We then headed back across the Queen Emma floating bridge to wrap up our day at Dutch Treat, a local food stall that specializes in Dutch snacks. We first visited Dutch Treat in 2022 and were thrilled to return during our most recent visit. We ordered some regular fries, some Funchi fries or crispy cornmeal fries, a Cas soufflé, which is our jelly beans favorite, and 3 soft drinks for a total of $22 US. In addition to the very tasty food, we also love the waterside view of the Punda district and the floating bridge from the tables at Dutch Treat. After we finished enjoying our final snack for the day, we headed back to our ship about 4.5 hours after starting our adventure.